Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quantsap. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 18,278.70, 71 points gains seen in Nifty 50, 43,424.6% gains seen in Nifty Bank. Well, 86 points cut is what SGX Nifty is showing you. So I think we are going to start on a negative start, 18,200 below that levels, I think. Looking at the charts, well, 17,800 happens to be a strong level on the lower side. On the higher side, you have 18,500, 18,800 as the major levels. And of course, you have 18,000 as the psychological support zone. So the two supports are 18,000, 17,800, resistance being 18,500, 18,800. So you have the overall band between 17,800 and 18,800. Looking at the Nifty build-ups, you're seeing some amount of long build-ups, but then this data would take time to evolve as just a rollover or yearly rollover has happened and so on and so forth. Looking at the OI picture of Nifty, 18,200 happens to be a strong call writing level. That's what that is. And the markets are close to that level as of now, as we speak. The other important level is 18,500. You have intermittent, uh, you know, writing levels in call, which are at 18,400, 18,300. So there is an entire mesh of, you can say, resistances out there. The major support zone is around 18,000 and 17,800. Looking at the bank Nifty, 42,486 on the lower side, 44,300 on the higher side. So that's the kind of band in which bank Nifty is expected to move. Looking at the OI picture, you are seeing no shorts as of now coming into bank Nifty till now. So that's how the scenario has evolved. Let's see the OI picture from options, where it's indicating 44,000 as the major level on the higher side. You have some amount of writing on 44, 43, 300, 400 levels and 500 levels also. So 43, 500 would be an intermittent level to keep a watch on. On the lower side, 43,000 is the major level and 42, 500 is the next major put writing level. But then the major put writing has happened around 43,000. Looking at the gainers and losers, you have PFC, Hindustan Copper, SAIL as the major gainers. You have MCX, Lal Path Labs, and Page Industries as major losers. Looking at the index contribution, private banks and oil supported Nifty to a large degree. Metals were the next other sector which supported on the positive side to Nifty. Pharma, PSU banks, FMCG were on the negative binge. Looking at the built-ups, metal, power, realty are long built-up, FMCG and pharma on the short side. Well, one stock to consider is ICICI Bank, resistance being 917 and 940, supports being 900 and 888 and 880 kind of levels. So this can be considered on the as a positive side on the breach of say 920 levels or 915 levels if one wants to be a little aggressive. तो 915 अगर अग्रेसिव रहेंगे तो उसके ऊपर जाने की अच्छी गुंजाइश है कि भाई उसके ऊपर टिका तो अच्छा मोमेंटम दिखाने की गुंजाइश है इसकी. Looking at the OI picture, you are seeing longs coming in, but kind of a mixed bag as far as open interest is concerned. Looking at the uh, overall scenario in on the call OI front, you are seeing a substantial OI built up at around 900, both call and put. So 900 is a major support zone, 850, and on the resistance front you have 950, 1000. As far as the other stock goes, it's Coromandel. Coromandel 912 and 920 are the two major levels on the higher side. You have 880 and 850 as a major support zone on the lower side. This also stock can be considered on the positive end, positive side. I think 912 is the major level which you will have to consider intermittently as a resistance point or resistance barrier. So we are seeing some amount of short covering in this counter, but a marginal short covering. You've seen reasonable longs which are there, but there are shorts also. So maybe the shorts might run to cover if 920 gets crossed on the higher side. So you have 900 as the major call writing level. Also on the put front, also 900 is reasonable. But then the entire option chain is rather sparse. थोड़ा कम एक्टिविटी है इस पूरी ऑप्शन चेन में पर 900 का लेवल जो है उस पर कॉल राइटिंग काफी जोरदार हुई है. तो अगर ये 920 की तरफ जाता है तो ये पूरा कवरिंग के लिए जाएगा और 900 के स्ट्राइक का कवरिंग होगा तो आई थिंक अच्छी गुंजाइश है ऊपर उछाल देने की इसकी. Ban list, there are no stocks in the ban list. And before we wrap up the session, I would like to highlight to you, please follow your financial advisor and also uh, trade in derivatives with a strict stop loss. That's my recommendation. We had already discussed Nifty trading range and Bank Nifty trading range. Looking at the sectoral built up, metal, power, realty. Short built up, that was on the long side. Short built up is FMCG and pharma. The two stocks which we preferred were ICICI Bank and Coromandel. And on the banners, there are none stocks. So that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.